The following is an incident which took place in Hind. A long time after the apparent wisal and passing away of Gawthi Azam rahmatullah ta'ala alayhi. Listen to it inshallah ta'ala and rejoice. At a time when Ranjit Singh, he had ruled Hind, there was a so-called Muslim who had no belief in the powers of the saints of Allah Azza wa Jal, the awliya Allah. Now this person, he fell in love with a non-Muslim woman. And once her husband was taking her to her parents' house, when lust overtook him and he started to chase them on a horse, soon they came to a deserted place. Now with the couple on foot and that lover approaching on a horse, in an effort to express outward sympathy, he asked them to sit behind him on the horse, but they refused. This lover began to insist and said, "At least allow your wife to sit behind me. Otherwise the poor lady, she will get tired." This non-Muslim man became aware of that so-called Muslim man's bad intentions. So he asked him to provide some sort of surety that he would take his wife to her destination without any harm being caused. He replied, "Where could I get you a surety from in this jungle?" The woman replied, "Muslims have great faith in Sayyidina Gawthi Azam rahmatullah ta'ala alayhi and give him as a surety." Even though this so-called Muslim did not have faith in Gawthi Azam rahmatullah ta'ala alayhi, thinking to himself that nothing will be lost if he accepted this, so he gave his word. As soon as the woman mounted the horse, the tyrant cut off the husband's head with his sword and made the horse run as fast as he could. The heartbroken woman was so upset and she kept turning back, looking behind. The lover told her that she would not gain anything by looking behind, as her husband is dead, he will not come back. The woman then replied, "I am looking at the king of the saints." Upon hearing this, that lover, he laughed and he said, "The king of saints? He died many years ago. How can you see him now?" As soon as he said this, two elderly men appeared, one of whom beheaded this lover. They then brought the woman and the horse to the place where her husband had died or was killed. One of the men picked up the head and placed it onto the shoulders of the body and said, "Get up with the command of Almighty Allah Azza wa Jal." At that very instant, that man came back to life. Following that incident, those elderly men had disappeared. The husband and wife, they rode back home on the horse. The relatives of the murdered lover recognized the horse, so they filed a suit in the court of Ranjit Singh against the couple on the basis that they had the horse and their man was missing, so they most probably had murdered him. The couple related the whole incident that took place in the jungle before the court. They said that one of the old men looked like the famous Majzoob, Gul Muhammad Shah Sahib. A Majzoob is a person who is much overwhelmed by the remembrance of Almighty Allah Azza wa Jal, that he becomes unconscious of his surroundings. She further said that the court summoned Gul Muhammad Shah to attend the court, and when he arrived, he explained the incident word for word in the court. Everyone in the court was amazed to hear this marvel and karamah of Sayyidina Gawthi Azam rahmatullah ta'ala alayhi. The case was dismissed and both of them were set free and were awarded with many favors and respects by Ranjit Singh.